Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the channel number. Now, I haven't actually set up a variable yet, so I'm going to save this first. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to set up a variable. So I'm going to do music vol, and I'm going to equal that to 50 for the default. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a function. So I'm going to do vol up, and that's going to return a value. So I'm going to do value in here, and then what I'm going to do is in here I'm going to do music vol plus equals value, and I'll just return that like that. So what I'm basically going to do, I'm going to save that. I'm going to go back here and I am going to do vol up 5. Don't need to do that. Then what I'm going to do is in this one is 50. So that's the third parameter, and that basically modifies the pitch. I'm not going to modify the pitch, so what I'm going to do is save that. I don't know why it doesn't do that for some reason, so I'm going to save that and see how it works. First of all, however, I am going to have to do actually, let's go here. So let's do continue. We're going to do go to passage 6. What I could alternatively do is just go to another passage here, put it here, and then I'll do 2 sounds. So I'll save that, and now let's test it. If we run into any problems, then we can obviously double check the documentation, but I'm pretty sure it is mostly right. 2 sounds. Okay. So as you can see, the sound is playing and it is bloody loud. Jesus Christ. So what we can do is volume up. Alternatively, what we can do is modify it here, as you can see. So that's the options menu, and obviously we can bring it up to 100%, do it a bit lower. So let's stop the sound. Yep, that works. Now volume up didn't work. Why is that? Because the volume is controlled in the options menu. That's why. If you wanted to add sounds to, let's say, a different channel, then you would have to provide your own modification there. But I think basically in reality, if you're going to be using the channels like music, SFX, vocals, then you probably want to leave it to the different music channels for that. So 0 is the music channel, 1 is SFX, and 2 is vocals. So if we were to do that, and we change it here as well, so 1 and 1, so this should be the SFX channel. So we'll save that. We'll test game. We'll go back to sounds again, play sound. So if we were to change this, that doesn't really do anything. What about this? Okay, so it does it there. And the same for vocals as well. Vocals is 2. So if we just test that once again. Save. Test game. And we just 2 sounds, play sound, vocal volume, as you can see. So those are the different channels and the music that you can do. What if we did want to use a different channel? Well, we'd have to use that volume map, wouldn't we? So we're going to do that. Now, what I am going to do instead is put this here, and I'm going to put music vol here.